In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset n8n password running locally. If you're running n8n on your own machine, changing your password is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, make sure your local n8n instance is up and running, and you can access the dashboard in your browser. It helps to have your current password handy, since you'll need it to confirm the change. Start by opening your locally run n8n dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the main screen, look to the left side of the interface. You'll see a vertical menu. Find and click the option labeled Settings. It may have a gear icon next to it. This area is where you manage your account preferences and other configuration details. Inside Settings, select the section called Personal. This is where your individual account details live. Separate from workspace-wide options. Going to Personal ensures you're making changes that affect only your user account. Next, click the button that says Change Password. This opens a simple form designed to protect your account and confirm that you're the one making the change. You'll see 3 fields. In the first field, enter your current password. This step is required to verify your identity. In the second field, type your new password. In the third field, re-enter that same new password to confirm it matches. Take a moment here to choose a strong password. Longer is better, and a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can help. Avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere, and consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you won't lose it later. Once everything looks correct, click the Change button to apply the update. If all entries are valid, you should see a confirmation that your password has been changed. Depending on your setup, you might be prompted to sign in again. If that happens, use your new password. If you get an error, double-check that your current password is correct and that the 2 new password fields match exactly. Also, make sure caps lock isn't interfering. That's the entire process. To recap briefly, open your local n8n dashboard. Go to Settings on the left pane, select Personal, choose Change Password, enter your current password, add your new one twice, and then confirm the change. With that, your local n8n account is secured with a new password, and you're ready to continue building your workflows with confidence. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your account secure.